Hello students, good afternoon. In this session, I will solve some questions related to matrix multiplication from the exercise 3.2. First question is A is equal to 3124, B is equal to -13, find AB. That means you need to multiply matrix A to matrix B. Okay. Now see, here I will write matrix A 3, 1, 2, 4. We are multiplying this matrix to matrix B. Matrix B is equal to -1, 3. What's the order of the first matrix? 2 row, 2 columns, 2 by 2. What's the order of the second matrix? 2 rows, 1 column. 2 by 1 is the order of the second matrix. So, order of the resultant matrix is equal to, what you will get here? 2 by 2. Here 2 by 1. Order of the resultant matrix also is equal to 2 by 1. Okay. Now multiply 3 into -1. Okay, that is -3. 1 into 3, that is equal to +3. Next 2 into -1, -2. 4 into 3 plus 12. Okay. Now simplify this matrix. It's equal to -3 plus 3 value is equal to 0. -2 plus 12 value is equal to 10, where matrix is of order 2 by 1. This is the second question is A is equal to 1 to 0 minus 3. Find A square value. Okay. See, A square, we know that A square can be written as matrix A into matrix A. Now substitute the values. Matrix A is equal to 1 to 0 minus 3. Again you are multiplying this matrix to matrix A only. Here also 1 to 0 minus 3. Now multiply. What's the order? 2 by 2. Here also order 2 by 2. Therefore order of the resultant matrix also is equal to 2 by 2. Okay. In the next step, see, it's equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 0, first entry. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into -3, its value is equal to -6. Okay. Next see, second row with the column 1 and column 2, 0 into 1, 0 plus -3 into 0, its value is equal to 0. Next, second row, second column, 0 into 2, its value is 0. -3 into -3. -3 into -3 is equal to +9. Okay. Its value is equal to, see, 1, 2 minus 6. Right? 2 minus 6 value is equal to -4. Next, 0 plus 0 value is equal to 0. Last entry, 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. This is the answer for the second question. See the third question. Matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 0, -1, 2, -4, 1, -3. Matrix B is equal to 2, -1, 3. Question is find AB. Matrix A is of order 3 by 3 is given. Matrix B is of order 3 by 1 is given. Okay. First see, I will write matrix A into B. Matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 0, -1, 2, -4, 1, -3. Okay. This matrix is multiplying to 2, -1, 3. What's the order of the first matrix? Order of this matrix is equal to 3 by 3. Order of the second matrix is equal to 3 by 1. Okay. Then by now see, we multiply. It's equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 1 into -1 is equal to -1. 2 into 3 is equal to +6. Second row with only one column. 0 into 2 is equal to 0, plus -1 into -1 it's equal to +1. 2 into 3 is equal to +6. Next row 3 into column 1. minus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 8. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 into 3 is equal to minus 9. Okay. Now simplify this matrix. 6, 6, 12 minus 1, it's equal to 11. 6 plus 1 is equal to, here you get 7. Okay. Here see, minus 1 minus, okay, minus 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 10 minus 8, its value is equal to minus 18. What's the order? Order is 3 by 1. You can observe 3 rows and 1 column is there. This is the answer for third question. Next, fourth question. See, matrix x comma y is equal to 2 3 1 0 into 1 0. Okay. Now I will write matrix x comma y is equal to 2 3 1 0. You need to multiply this matrix to the matrix 1 0. Okay. What is the order here? Order is equal to 2 by 2. Here order is equal to 2 by 1. Okay. Number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Matrix multiplication is possible. What is the order of the resultant matrix? Order of the resultant matrix equal to 2 by 1. Okay. Left hand side x comma y is there, is equal to, multiply this matrix. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 0. That means you will get x comma y is equal to 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 value is equal to 2. 1 plus 0, its value is equal to 1. Now see, two matrices are equal. Whenever two matrices are equal, first condition is their order is equal. 2 by 1, 2 by 1, order is equal. Second condition is their corresponding elements are equal. What's the corresponding element? X is equal to 2, y value is equal to 1. Therefore, answer is x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to 1. This is the solution for this question. See, next question is matrix with the entries x comma y comma z is equal to matrix 1 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 1, 0 1 minus 2 into matrix 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. Similar to the previous question, here see, matrix x comma y comma z is equal to 1 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 1, 0 1 minus 2 is given. Okay, into 1 1 1. Okay, matrix multiplication. First see the order of the first matrix. Order of the first matrix is 3 by 3. What's the order of the second matrix? 3 rows, 1 column. Therefore, here it's equal to 3 by 1. What is the order of the resultant matrix? Order of the resultant matrix equal to 3 by 1. That means 3 rows and 1 column. So here I will multiply in the LHS keeping matrix x y z. Matrix x y z is equal to, now multiplying. Okay. See, 1 into 1 plus 1, 0 into 1 plus 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. This is the first entry. Next, row 2 into column 1. 2 into 1, it's equal to 2. 0 into 1, it's equal to 0. Minus 1 into 1, it's equal to minus 1. Next, row 3, it's multiplying to column 1. 0 into 1, its value is equal to 0. 1 into 1, its value is equal to plus 1. Minus 2 into 1, its value is equal to minus 2. Now see, matrix x comma y comma z is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1, its value is equal to 1. See, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, answer is minus 1. Okay. Matrices are equal, order is equal and corresponding elements are equal. Comparing LHS and RHS, X value is equal to 0, Y value is equal to 1 and Z value is equal to minus 1. This is the solution for fifth question. Okay. See the sixth question. Matrix 413 into matrix XYZ is equal to matrix 484 121 362. Question is find X, Y, Z. Okay, whatever question given, here matrix multiplication is there. In this question, first to simplify the LHS, compare LHS to RHS, we will get the answer. Okay. See, I will write 4, 1, 3, multiplying this matrix to X, Y, Z, right hand side they given, that is 4, 8, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2. Okay. What is the order here? 3 by 1. What is the order here? 1 by 3. Okay. Order of the resultant matrix is equal to 3 by 3. Now multiply. Okay. Here see, first row into column 1, column 2, column 3. Second row into column 1, column 2, column 3. Similarly, third row into column 1, column 2, column 3. Now see, 4 into x, it's equal to 4x. No need to put a plus sign. Why? Here only one element is there. Then row 1 into column 2, 4 into y, 4y. Next 4 into z, it's equal to 4z. Similarly, row 2 and row 3, see, 1 into x, x, 1 into y, y, 1 into z, z. Next, row 3 into column 1, column 2, column 3 respectively. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into z, 3z. It's equal to their given. What's the given data? This matrix equal to matrix 4, 8, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2. Again the concept equality of the matrices. Two matrices are equal, their corresponding element is equal. So you will get here, see, just compare the values. Here I will write 4x is equal to 4. That implies x value is equal to 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Then y value is equal to, here see, 4y is equal to 8 is there. 4y equal to 8. That implies y is equal to 8 by 4. It's equal to 2. Okay. Then 4z is equal to 4 is there. That implies z value is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. Or you can get answer directly by comparing second row. See, x value is equal to 1, y value is equal to 2, z value is equal to 1. Therefore, you can write x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z value is equal to 1. This is the solution. Next question is, if matrix 2x2 into matrix 142 is equal to matrix 3. Question is, find x value. Okay. Again see, in this question matrix multiplication is there, right? So matrix 2x2 is multiplying to matrix 142. Right hand side is equal to matrix 3 is there. Okay. Now see, what's the order of the first matrix? 1 row, 3 columns. So here it's a 1 by 3. What's the order of the second matrix? 3 rows, 1 column. Therefore, it's equal to 3 by 1. Okay, therefore, see, order of the resultant matrix is equal to 1 by 1. So, I'm multiplying, see, row into column. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 4 into x is equal to 4x. 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. This matrix is equal to matrix C. Okay. Now see, here one element is there, that is 2 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to here element 3. Two matrices are equal means their order is equal, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, and their corresponding elements also equal. What's the corresponding element? 4x plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6 is equal to 3. Then 4x is equal to 3 minus, shifting plus 6 to RHS, minus 6. 4x is equal to 3 minus 6, its value is equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to, shift 4 to RHS, x value is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is. See the next question. Matrix A is equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Question is find A into A dash. That means A into A transpose. Okay. To solve this question, first you need to find A transpose. Okay. A transpose is equal to, how to find A transpose? Transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging the row and column of the given matrix. So, here you will get 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. It's a transpose value. What's the question? A into A transpose. Okay. Matrix A is 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. You need to multiply this matrix to A transpose. A transpose is equal to 2, 1, 3 minus 1 and minus 1, 0. See the order. Order of this matrix is equal to 2 by 3. Order of the second matrix is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, you can write order of the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. Okay. Multiply. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Next see, first row into second column. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Next see, second row into first column. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. 0 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, second row into second column. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. 0 into 0 is equal to plus 0. Now, simplify this matrix. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 2 minus 3, right? Its value is equal to minus 1. Again 2 minus 3, its value is equal to minus 1. 1 plus 1, its value is equal to 2. This is the value of A into A transpose. Clear? Okay. See the next question. Matrix A equal to 3 minus 1 2, 1 2 2, 2 0 5. Question is find A square value. Now A into A we need to find. A square is equal to A into matrix A. Okay. It's equal to, what is matrix A? 3 minus 1 2, 1 2 2, 2 0 5. This is the value of matrix A. You need to multiply this matrix to same matrix. 3 minus 1 2, 1 2 2, 2 0 5. Okay. What's the order of the first matrix? 3 by 3. second matrix also 3 by 3. Therefore, order of the resultant matrix also is equal to 3 by 3. Okay. Now multiply. How to multiply? Row 1 into C1, C2, C3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3, okay. Then minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to minus 1. 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. Okay. Next, row 1 into C2. 3 into minus 1, it's equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, row 1 into C3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 into 5 is equal to plus 10. Okay. Now, row 2 into C1, C2, C3. 1 into, see here row 2 is there. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 1 is plus 2. 2 into 2 is plus 4. Row 2 into C2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. Plus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Now see, row 2 into C3. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. 2 into 5 is equal to plus 10. Okay. Now row 3 into C1, C2, C3. See here, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Next, row 3 into C2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Next, last entry, row 3 into C3. What you will get? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 5 into 5 is equal to plus 25. Okay. Now, simplify this data. What you will get? See, first entry is equal to 9 minus 1, 8, right? 8 plus 4, its value is equal to 12. Next, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Next entry, 6 plus 10, 16 minus 2, it's equal to 14. Next, see, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, its value is equal to 9. Then minus 1 plus 4, its value is equal to plus 3. Then 4 plus 2, 6 plus 10, its value is equal to 16. Okay, now see, 10 plus 6 is there, its value is equal to 16. Minus 2 plus 0, it's equal to minus 2. Then 25 plus 4, its value is equal to 29. Okay, therefore this is the A square value. See the next question. Matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 1 4. Matrix B is equal to minus 3 2 minus 1 4. Question is, show that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. We already studied this formula in transpose, right? Transpose of a matrix under that properties. Okay, properties AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. But in this question, you need to verify. Verifying means you are showing that LHS value is equal to RHS value. Okay, first you need to take AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. What is LHS? LHS is AB transpose. Okay, to solve LHS, first we need to find AB, matrix A into matrix B. So, matrix A is, we need to find matrix A into B. Matrix A is 2 minus 1 1 4. Matrix B equal to minus 3 2 minus 1 4. Multiply, you will get 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Next, 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Next 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3. 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Next 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Simplify. It's equal to minus 5, 4 minus 4, 0, minus 3 minus 4, its value is equal to minus 7, and 16 plus 2, it's equal to 18. This is the value of AB. But what is LHS? LHS is AB transpose, right? So, AB transpose is equal to how to get transpose of a matrix? Interchanging rows and column of the given matrix. So, AB transpose is equal to minus 5, 0, minus 7, 18. This is LHS value. Now, find RHS value. What is RHS? B transpose into A transpose. First find B transpose. B transpose is minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4 obtained by interchanging row and column of the given matrix B. Similarly, A transpose value is equal to 2, minus 1, 1, 4. Now see, RHS is not equal to A transpose into B transpose. RHS is B transpose into A transpose. You need to follow this order. Why? Matrix multiplication is non-commutative. So, you need to take only B transpose into A transpose. Write B transpose value minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4. Multiply this matrix to 2, 1, minus 1, 4. Now, suppose into A transpose is equal to multiply 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Row 1 into column 2. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Now row 2 into C1 and C2. 2 into 2 is equal to plus 4. 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Now see, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Plus 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Now simplify. We will get minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Okay. Second entry minus 3 minus 4. It's equal to minus 7. 4 minus 4. It's equal to 0. Then 2 plus 16. Its value is equal to 18. Now check whether LHS equal to RHS. I am writing here it as RHS. Minus 5, minus 7 is there, 0 is there, 18 is there. Their corresponding elements are equal and order also equal. Therefore, you can write it as LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Question is verified.